Okay, so I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about how to run a Wilcoxon signed rank test. So all I've done is I have taken the data in the canvas that you have seen and I put it into SPSS. And so you can see that I've got pane before and I've got pane after. So if I went down here and I clicked on variable view, I created the variable pane before, I created the variable pane after. You don't have to worry about values, but you do have to change your measure to ordinal because this is ranked data. So remember that ranked data is ordinal data. Okay, so I've got pane before and pane after, and my research question is there a significant difference in the rankings of pane before and the rankings of pane after a specific treatment, whatever that treatment is? So you're going to go up here to analyze. You are going to go to non-parametric because we're doing a non-parametric test. And we're going to use related samples because these are the same people. I'm asking you to rank your pain before I do the treatment. Then I'm asking you, those same people, to rank their pain afterwards. So when you go to your non-parametric test, your window is probably going to look a little bit like this, and it looks a little different. What I want you to do is go over here to fields. All right, so these should really be over here. I ran this before, but you're going to have all of these options here because these are your variables. And the ones we're going to look at is pain before, and we're going to look at pain after. All right, so we're not done yet. We're going to go up here to settings, and in our settings we want to make sure, normally this is unchecked, but we want to make sure that the Wilcoxon matched pair signed rank is checked. And once that is checked, then we can go down here and we can click run. And so when you run it, you're going to get a non-parametric output that looks like this. And the important thing to look at is here is this significance value, which is 0.782. So when we are testing our null hypothesis, we are always testing at 0.05. So anything less than 0.05 is significant. So in this case, it is not significant. So in other words, we are basically saying that the rankings of pain before treatment and the rankings of pain after treatment are pretty much the same. In other words, the treatment has no effect on the person's pain. In the next video, I'll show you a little bit about what you can do with this. So if I double click this screen, it's going to give you some other options. Okay, so SPSS opens another window, and in the next presentation, I talk a little bit about your interpretation of this.